cousin Brenna is gonna come say hi.
Hello.
Alright, tell them how old you are.
7.
7, and what was your favorite Christmas present?
Zoomer unicorn.
Zoomer unicorn, and tell them what that is.
It's a robot unicorn.
A robot unicorn? Does it do anything cool?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, what does it do?
Spins around in circles.
Nice.
It's what you make it. Always try to give. Don't ever take it.
Don't worry, I know what I'm doing.
Okay, I'm not worried.
Always try to give. Don't ever take it. I just wanna be. It's what you make it. Always try to give. Don't ever take it. Life has its music. Life has its song. Life has its music. Life has its song. Life has its music. Life has its songs of love.
So I just ate breakfast and I worked on, I worked on this scholarship that I'm working on. It's really cool. If you're a senior in high school and you're a vegetarian or vegan, you should totally apply for it. It's from the Vegetarian Resource Group and they give out 3 scholarships. So I was working on writing my essay for that. And then I had some breakfast and now I'm gonna kind of get ready. I'm not really doing anything today besides going shopping. That's why I'm just like wearing a sweatshirt and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys like how I get ready and stuff. For my face, I'm gonna use some of this. I actually got this for Christmas. If you saw my what I got for Christmas video, this was in there. This is the like, I don't know how you pronounce it, like Ole Henriksen or whatever. This is the Grease Relief facial water. So it says purify and mattify. And I tried this like set. I got a set of these. It came with 3 and I tried one of the other ones that I think was called like Nurture Me or something. I don't remember what the other 2 was called, but this one's Grease Relief. And I tried that one and I really liked it. It had a really strong scent, which this one does as well. But today, since I'm not really doing anything, I'm only gonna put on a little bit of makeup. And when I say a little bit, I mean like one thing. So I'm gonna start off with moisturizer. I use this. It's really supposed to be like primer, but it's moisturizer. Like it's lotion. And I don't get like really dry under eyes, but I feel like it's important to put under eye moisturizer on. And then the only makeup that I'm gonna put on is some eyebrows. So I use this It Cosmetics Brow Power. This is like tinted lip balm. I don't know. I'm trying to finish it because this is like literally all that's on. Also, the perfume that I'm using is this one from Pacifica. It is the French Lilac perfume. today is a new day. I didn't film at all yesterday because we didn't really do anything that interesting, but today we are going downtown and I might get some cool food and stuff. So yeah, I will show you guys what I do and what kind of food I get. I'm about to go to dinner and I just wanted to talk a little bit about what I'm getting. So I'm going to this restaurant to get po' boys, and that is something that's like really common in New Orleans if you ever come visit here. And the bread that they make it on is always vegan. I say always, it's like 99% of the times. If they use like the classic you know, traditional French bread, then it is vegan. You should always ask if you're not sure. Some places will have a vegetable po' boy, so some places you can get that, but something that is really common that happens to be vegan is a French fry po' boy, and almost every place will have a French fry po' boy. And I know that sounds so weird, like it's, I mean, carbs on carbs, basically. It's a French fry sandwich, but a lot of places, if they have sweet potato fries, you can get a sweet potato fry po' boy. So that is what I'm going to get, and I will show you guys what I get. Also, after dinner, to sing happy birthday to me, we went to Whole Foods and we didn't want to buy an entire vegan cake because I'm leaving the day after tomorrow to go back home, so we weren't gonna eat a whole cake, and all they had left was the vegan carrot cake, like in the Whole Foods bakery. So in the freezer section we found the Daya brand vegan cheesecake, and I'm really excited to try that. I've always seen it, but like I never had a reason to buy an entire cheesecake, like just for fun. So I got a vegan chocolate cheesecake as well as some of the dairy-free Halo Top, which has gotten a lot of mixed reviews, but this is the third one I've gotten. The first two I got, I really enjoyed. I know some people think it tastes really weird, but I mean, what do you expect? It's like a 300-calorie pint of ice cream. Like, it's not gonna taste like regular ice cream. I thought it was pretty good, so I got the chocolate flavor of that because I haven't tried it yet. So yeah, I will show you guys what the cheesecake looks like and how it tastes and stuff when I try it. Okay, so we just went to dinner. How did you think the dinner was? It was good? Yeah, I just had a sweet potato fry po' boy. It's pretty good. I mean, it's just French fries on bread, but it was good. So we are gonna sing happy birthday to me, and instead of cake, we got this Daya chocolate cheesecake, and it's dairy-free, soy-free, and gluten-free, so if you're gluten-free, you can eat this. So we're about to open it up and see what it looks like, and then we're gonna do a little taste test. Okay, so we have, this is, it came in like this plastic, so I guess you just like open it. We might have to let it thaw for a sec because, let's see. So crust-wise, whoops, that's all there really is of a crust. Can they see that? Yeah. So we're gonna let this sit for a second. Do you want to get the ice cream out too?
Yeah.
Okay. Got this chocolate Halo Top, dairy-free Halo Top. So does it look good? You don't know?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Morgan. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Where's Louie? Get a clap for you.
Alright, so we started cutting it. It's kind of uneven. Ready to taste it? Alright, ready? We're gonna taste it. Let's see. You can taste the coconut. I think it's pretty good. Try it. It's cold, like ice cream. It's a little tangy. Do you like it? It's okay if you don't like it. What do you think? It's gross. It kind of does. They definitely tried to mimic the cheesy flavor. It does taste like cheesecake. You don't like it? Hey guys, so it's my last day here and I just wanted to finish the vlog with what I'm doing today. I'm not leaving the house at all. It's really cold and gross outside. But I am baking. I'm just going to make some brownies and some granola and I will show you guys what I make. Okay guys, I'm just going to end this vlog right here. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. So yeah, thanks so much for watching and I will see you in my next video.